Hi, I am Mr. Kanor. I am going to fry siomai for my business. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa pagluluto ng siomai. Sarap!
A few moments later.
How I am going to know my earnings for 7 days? So, what is Mang Kanor's problem? What is the way to solve the problem? Familiarize yourself to the problem. Understand. I think Mang Kanor has sold 50 pieces of siomai for 3 pesos and 75 centavos each. The question is, how much did he earn in a week? Right, now I understand the problem. So, what's next? Plan. How do you calculate when you want to know the amount of income according to its quantity? If each siomai costs 3 pesos and 75 centavos, he sells 50 pieces per day. 3.75 plus 3.75 plus 3.75 plus 3.75. Oh, it's very large number. Aha! I know that adding repeatedly is multiplication. Correct multiplication is also what I will use to calculate the day. I need a solution to the problem because I already know what I will use. So, let us try and solve. We have 3 and 75 or 3.75 multiplied by 50. So, I am going to multiply it one by one from right to left. So, 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. Next, I am going to multiply the next number. We have 5 times 5 is 25. Carry 2, bring down 5. We have 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. And 3 times 5 is 15 plus 3. Answer is 18. So, 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. And just bring down 8 and 1. So, the answer is 18750. So, how I am going to know if it is the decimal places? So, the 10th digit is 5 and 7. So, I am going to count. So, 1, 2, from right to left, we have first decimal place. So, 1, 2. So, the answer is 187 pesos and 50 centavos. So, this is Mang Kanor earned for a day. How about for 7 days? Aha! I have to multiply it to 7. So, 187.50 times 7 is 0 times 7 is 0. 7 times 5 is 35, carry 3. So 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 3 is 52, carry 5. So 8 times 7 is 56 plus 5 is 61. So carry 6. So 7 times 1 is 7 plus 6. The answer is 13. So I am going to count from right to left until I reach the decimal point. So 0 and 5. So the decimal point is 0 and 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So the answer is 1,312 and 50 centavos. So now, is that correct? So what should I do? Aha! It is check and balance. So I am going to check if my answer is correct. So 187 and 50 centavos divided by 50. So 187 divided 50 is 3, and 3 times 50 is 150. Next, I am going to subtract. So 187 minus 50, the answer is 37. Bring down 5. 375 divided by 50, the answer is 7. And 7 times 50 is 350. So 375 minus 350, the answer is 25. Bring down 0. So 250 divide 50, the answer is 5. And 5 times 50 is 250. So the answer is 0. So 0 divide 50 is 0, and 0 times 50 is 0. So what is the answer? So I am going to count from right to left. We have 1, 2, up until I reach a decimal point. So 1, 2, we have 37.50. The same with number of days. We have 187.50 divide 7, and we can reach 187.50. Just divide 1,312 and 50 centavos divide 7. So our answer is correct. So what do you think? Mang Kanor can solve his problem? I think he can answer the problem. So what are the steps did Mang Kanor use? First, he used to familiarize the concept of the problem. It is called understand. Followed, he planned for the problem. What operation should he use? The answer is plan. So next is solve. Solve the problem. Followed, if your answer is correct, to check it, we call this as check and balance.